So I just wanted to do a quick video about just the stuff that I'm packing for college because I'm a sophomore in college in the fall, so in about 6 days I'm going to be a sophomore, and I just wanted to quickly do a video on just some of my stuff that I have. It is very disorganized. I literally just threw all the stuff I have in those bags and left it in this room because we don't really use this room. But yeah, so I have a lot of different things that are just kind of laying around, but I am living on campus this fall, well, this year. So I just have a couple things here. This is just some of the stuff, mainly the stuff that we bought. And then a couple other things like my clothes and stuff are upstairs. I started packing my clothes in a suitcase. But yeah, I have like a suitcase that I'm bringing. I believe I'm just bringing some tote bags and a bin or two to hold some of my stuff because I have a lot of clothes and shoes. Well, not a lot of shoes, mostly clothes. I know I have a lot of clothes. And then I have my makeup. I obviously probably will not pack till 2 days before I move in or something like that. But yeah, I did start throwing stuff in here because then it's just easier. I can just carry this, I don't know. But I just have like my command hooks, which there actually aren't a lot. They're just like 4 in there, but you know what? I probably won't need that many hooks because all I'm probably going to use for hooks is like to hold up towels or stuff like that. I think I might use something to hold up my scarves. Or, I don't know. I gotta figure it out. But I just have a couple there just to start off with, and then I have some command strips which are going to be really helpful. I have some sugar for my tea. I also got to pack my tea stuff and my cappuccino mix and that kind of things. I have a stapler in there. I have tape. I bought a new flash drive because I have an old flash drive that I should just have another one, separate one for school. So I bought this one. It's the Cruiser Glide SanDisk one. This one's 8 gig, which I think is a lot bigger than the other one that I had. I have tape. I have push pins for my bulletin board, toothpaste, toothbrush, shaving cream. Yeah, I just started throwing stuff in there, just things that are tiny and I don't have to like pack hugely. I have some of my school supplies. I think this is all I really need for school supplies. I think I still need to buy some Post-it notes, and I have a lot of pencils upstairs. I have like a billion pencils, so I have to still fill this up with pencils. But look at how cute this is, guys. It's a cute little owl pencil case. And I gotta remove that thing, but it's super cute, guys. And I did keep everything pretty much packaged because I don't want to really rip them up, and I'd rather just do that when I get to my dorm room. And in here I don't have anything really. I just have a sharpener. I have some of my pens. These are my favorite pens. The G2 pens, the Pilot G2, and they're the 0.7 ones. And I have some Sharpie highlighters because I know I'm going to have to highlight. And I do have homework already that I got to do. That's due like the first day of class for my anatomy class. So I have to get started on that. And then I have my planner. I had to get a new planner. So this is just a plain old planner. Nothing special. Just days of the week. Normal type that you get. I love these types of planners because you get the month. Which is really cool because then you get like an overview of what you need. Like let's say you have a test due. Now obviously not on this day because this is August, but yeah, let's say you have something due like September 18th. You can just mark that down like a test or something, and it just helps a lot. And this I got because I thought it would be helpful. It's a desk calendar thing, which would be helpful just to, you could also hang this up if you want. Which I don't know if I would hang it up or not hang it up. I think I'm just going to keep it at my desk and then just label what I need to do. So just like different things and labeling them. Like if I had like some social events or some things that I have for my InterVarsity club, I can just label that. So nothing crazy there. I have an accordion folder for my homework, my 5-subject notebook, some college rule paper, a notebook. I don't know what I have in my other one. I have a lot of index cards right there. I have some paper plates, some towels, some shampoo and conditioner. I also have body wash upstairs and hand soap and a loofah and different things. Oh crap, I already forgot. I already can think of something I did not buy for the bathroom. But I have like my caddy, I think somewhere upstairs. Some bins, a lamp, bulletin board, cleaning stuff, the mirror. This is going to be my mirror that I can do my makeup in. It's going to be great because it's a 2-side mirror. It's quite small. It's from Revlon, but it does light up. I did test it and it lights up. But yeah, and I need to get a light bulb for this desk lamp because I know for a fact the dorm room does not have enough lighting. But yeah, I guess I can quickly show you guys what I have packed as far as clothing. Let's see. Quick. Oh, if you guys noticed, my room's a mess, so I apologize in advance for my really, really messy room. But, yeah, I have some of the stuff packed up here. Nothing crazy. I just have, like, in here, I have some of my toiletry stuff. I have a lot of hand soaps, so I made sure I packed all my hand soaps. I have my body wash there, some room perfumes, because I figure that's the best way, either that or Febreze, to keep your room smelling nice instead of, like, because you can't light candles or anything like that. So I have a loofah there, and I already started packing some clothes. I have like one sweater in here so far, but I know I'm going to pack a couple sweaters. I'm packing a couple more fall clothes. I do have like 2 pairs of jeans down there, and a sweater and a cami and a shirt and another shirt. It's a work in progress, guys. And I do have, I think I'm just bringing 2 scarves so far that are not too heavy. Like one's a heavy one, one's a much more lighter scarf. But yeah, I just started packing some of those. I still gotta figure out how to pack my shoes because I have a lot of shoes. And I think I'm gonna bring some plastic hangers. I have 4 or 5 downstairs that are the non-slip ones, but these ones are just, I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yeah, guys, I am gonna figure it out. You guys will probably see a video or a vlog or something. So yeah, and this is a mess that I gotta deal with. And I got to figure out to put it in that little chain case. So I will talk to you guys later, and I hope you guys have a great day. And if you guys have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!